Hi, welcome to my channel Trendy Hobbies. In this hot summer, we get raw mangoes in every town and city. So try this recipe. This is mango rice. In South India, it's called mango pulihora or pulihodarai. Take rice, add water and cook it. Meanwhile, take peeled mangoes depending on the sourness and size. Then grate it. Now add cooked rice on top of the grated mangoes. Grated mangoes absorbs the rice steam and gives a nice flavor. Take a kadai, add oil. When the oil is heated, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, gram dal, urad dal, ground nuts and fry. When the seeds are half fried, add dry red chilies, green chilies, hing, curry leaves and fry. Add the stamper seeds to the rice. And add turmeric powder, salt and mix it well. Tasty mango rice is ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press bell icon to get more updates.